Okay, today we pump out the previous the water. The water still we see some soap bubbles, so we just like to keep the tank really clean. So we pumped out and add fresh water to a point slightly above, just above that elbow. And then we pump water, and now the water level is below that elbow. So that's the water difference, the position. Yeah. Anyway, looking good. So the waterfall sound is not that loud as before, because we only have probably right now I think it's a 40 centimeter difference. Yeah, so sounds nice, not as loud as before, and quiet and smooth. Yeah, pretty good. Take a look at this sandbag, looking good. Next step, we would like to add, we're gonna use the the hydrotone, the popped balls, the aquaponics people use to as medium, as grow medium, but we're gonna use them to we add them to the to a net, to a screen bag, and then the water can flow through. So basically we use the bag to hold the pop balls together, because the pop ball will float. If you don't put it into a bag, it will float. So and then we just simply bury it, just like this one. We simply bury it in the middle of the farrow, of the ridge. Not the farrow. That's the farrow. That's the farrow. That's the ridge. So that we grow. We grow things, we plant things here just by the water. So we have enough distance between the hydrotone, the pebble stone, and the flow water. So enough distance for water filtration, so that the fish poop won't get into here. This way, because this is very solid. This is solid ground. We can stand here, firmly, do work, right? And the other thing is, once the water, filtered out, get into here, the water actually flow faster along this ridge. So here you don't see it, obviously, because this is the source of the water. But as we add all the way to here, then we observe the water coming back faster. That's what we want, because we don't want the whole thing to be flooded. Yeah. Anyway, that's what we ordered the hydrotone, the pebbles, the pop ball. And we're going to test how it works. So this is just a pebble stone, and but this is very expensive, so we like to use the hydrotone. Normally people use it as a grow medium, but we're not going to use it as grow medium. We use it to help us, to reduce the use of sand, but also allow a channel for water to flow along the ridge, underneath the ridge, and then in the furrow on the surface. So that's the idea. So this way, as long as the fish poop won't get into into the pebble stone area, that's okay. So that's what we plan to do, and then everything will just work better.